Filipino nurse Quijano works in Britain's National Health Service and was among the first to receive the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine.
I feel more confident and safe because I've been COVID positive before and I was admitted in the hospital. There's a thorough studies and research before the vaccine comes out, so I feel positive about it.
Colleague Ashley Lecheminint works in the Brighton Hospital's catering department. He's also received the vaccine.
We're going to defeat this coronavirus now, and that we're going to have it's going to be a new beginning.
Britain says no corners were cut in approving the safety of the vaccine and that it is 95% effective in stopping COVID-19 illness. Yet 2 healthcare workers suffered allergic reactions to the injection Wednesday, though doctors say they both had a history of allergies and this wasn't unusual. It's hoped 4 million doses will be given out before the end of the year. Those over 80, plus health workers and nursing home staff, are the first in line.
We don't yet know if the vaccine only prevents illness from COVID-19 or if it will also prevent transmission of the virus, and that could prove key in tackling the pandemic.
Those questions will be answered in the coming months. Many of those taking the vaccine have been self-isolating for several months. While there is palpable relief, Britain's chief medical officer voiced a note of caution.
I want to be very clear, for the next 3 months we will not have sufficient protection. We're going through the most difficult time of year for respiratory infections.
Across Britain, hospitals are still admitting thousands of patients with COVID-19 and hundreds are still dying every day. There are fears that public adherence to social distancing and lockdown rules may fall as the vaccination programme begins. Recent polls suggest half of Britons have safety concerns and 1 in 3 may refuse to take the vaccine. Back in Brighton, nurse Quijano feels lucky to get the vaccine compared to friends and family in the Philippines.
Sometimes it's only the privileged people can have the vaccine back home. If you got money, if they're going to pay for it, if the government will provide for it, but we don't know really. That's why we're hoping that it's gonna be accessible to everyone.
It's hoped other promising vaccines will also soon be approved. Britain is off to a head start, and the government says it hopes life could be back to normal by the spring. Henry Ridgewell for VOA News, London.